Of the evening, some say headline, but you know, whatever you want. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, well that's good because that's what's going to happen. It's a musical act once again. It's going to be playing a blend of folk, blues and soul and gospel. He's an intriguing songwriter. He mixes honesty, intensity, power, and he's a fantastic act. So please put your hands together for J.P. Cooper.
Oh, echo, echo, echo in that evening. I tried to figure out where it was coming from, but there was no revealing itself. I began to write it down, the words that he was calling out like he was needing. And when I read it out aloud, I felt a shudder from inside, how it was haunting me. In red, I can't know myself. Help me, I'm drowning. Oh, the water. Oh, the water. I try to tell myself to let go, let go, let go, let go of that feeling. Fighting the better side of myself, sure was all I need, sure that he's healing, yeah. He said, don't you understand? How can you call yourself a man if you don't help him? But then that change came over me, and something pulled from within, and I heard I can't know myself. Help me, I'm drowning. Oh, the water. I heard I can't know myself. Help me, I'm drowning. To dry land. Sometimes we all hear I can't help myself. Help me, I'm drowning. Oh, the water. I heard I can't help myself. Help me, I'm drowning. I'm going to try and squeeze out as many songs as I can before you drag me off, if that's all right. So many times I fall for you. I could have done with someone on my side. I know we had our different views. I can't behold the visions in your mind. But whenever you hold me, I try hard to keep my feelings inside. Whenever you hold me, I can't help but wish that you were all mine. darling, I don't believe you're listening. I don't believe you're somewhere in that crowd. Oh darling, I know the time has come between. I guess I'm still the last thing on your mind. But whenever you hold me, I try hard to keep my feelings inside. Whenever you hold me, I can't help but wish that you were mine. Whenever you hold me, I'm fine. Whenever you hold me, I sigh. Whenever you hold me, I can't but stop and wonder what it would be like if you were mine. All right. It's like playing in a really big living room. There you are. So, this song's about letting yourself off the hook when you make mistakes, or just not beating yourself up too much about it. You can hear me, right? I tend to mumble when I'm not on the mic. It's quite quiet in here. And it's off my second EP. I've got some with me. If you're not rushed out too fast, I'll be out there. They're if I ever be trying to flog them. It's a song called My Father's House. If I don't change my ways, I'm in all kinds of trouble when I get home. I meant to do that first bit a cappella, I just decided not to turn my tune back on. I'm constantly amazed by my own stubborn lack of self-control. To my father's house I have to walk this road. Though the streets are wild and ruthless, I will go to my father's house, my father's house. I roam, I roam. I'm watching myself grow. I'm finding strength in seeking the unknown. And I will shine my light when the road seems rocky and overgrown, overgrown. To my father's house I have to walk this road. Though the streets are cold and lawless, I will go to my father's house, my father's house. I roam, I roam. But all's not lost, you know. All's not lost, you know. I keep on moving, moving ahead. Forget the ways you fall down, forget the times you fade, and look at how you change in states. So pick up your bags and carry on, carry on. To my father's house I have to walk this road. Though my enemies surrounds me, I will go to my Father's house, my Father's house. I roam. If I don't change my ways, I'm in all kinds of trouble when I get home. Thank you. Brilliant. So, yeah, I'm JP Cooper. I'm from North Manchester. I live in South Manchester now. Upgraded. And you can find me on Twitter or Facebook or any of those things. It's just JP Cooper Music. Stick it in your phone now. It's all good. You don't have to be. Well, you don't have to, but you don't have to feel bad about having your phone out in the theatre. I don't mind. This is a song called Learn from the Landscapes. I couldn't find the words to make you smile and be the way you used to. Make you talk with me the way you used to. Oh, 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 oh. So I find new pleasures in my daylight, running in the rain. Let it wash my sorrows to the ground again. And I walk for hours through the woodland and never stays the same. And I learn from the landscapes that everything must change. I'm sailing in stormy weather. Back together. Oh, 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 oh. So I set off walking and I'm heading straight into the sun. And I'll pick my pace up and I'll turn that walk into a run. And I'll see more clearly and I'll turn that frown into a smile. And I won't be impatient, 'cause I know these things take a while. Oh no, oh, oh, oh. I'm sailing in stormy weather. I'll put myself back together. And oh, I can be strong, I can be any man. I've done nothing wrong, no. My life's just beginning. See, my life's just beginning. So I'll find new pleasures in my daylight, running in the rain. And I learn from the landscapes that everything must change. I'll be outside if you're still there with some CDs. Helps me keep doing what I'm doing. So I'm gonna finish on a song that I wrote for my dad, and it's kind of a thank you for him being just an absolute legend to me. He's my hero. He always has been. And this was a song that I wrote when I was waiting to become a dad. So I kind of was beginning to understand the things he's done, and more now that he's here as well. But it's called For the Man I've Known, and again, thank you for listening. I've been JP Cooper. I hope you have a wonderful night. When I was near to grasshopper, my father said, someday you'll be a man. And all the simple things I found to be confusing, I will grow to understand. Like how the songbird sings the morning in so sweetly, fulfilling part of God's great plan. So I watched my youth unravel as I held on to my papa's hand, singing hallelujah for the man I've known, singing hallelujah for the man I've known. And this is in me how to grow. Now we've seen beauty turn to ashes, but the hard times you gave us hearts of gold. And we have kept a youthful spirit, while so many here amongst us have grown old. Just as the evergreen stands strong throughout the winter, deeply rooted in the land. I have weathered many seasons as I held on to my papa's hand, singing hallelujah for the man I've known, singing hallelujah for the man I've known. And he's teaching me how to grow. And he's teaching me how, just as the evergreen stands strong throughout the winter, deeply rooted in the land. I have weathered many seasons as I held on to my